Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily and simply make carrot cake at home, in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Creating carrot cake at home is a delightful culinary endeavor that combines the sweetness of carrots with warm spices and a luscious cream cheese frosting. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from selecting the freshest carrots to achieving the perfect texture and flavor. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make a delicious carrot cake that will become a favorite dessert in your home. List of contents to be shared. Introduction to carrot cake. Selecting the best carrots. Preparing the carrots. Essential ingredients for carrot cake. Making carrot cake batter. Baking the carrot cake. Preparing cream cheese frosting. Assembling and decorating the carrot cake. Serving and enjoying carrot cake. Variations and flavor ideas. Storing and freezing carrot cake. Troubleshooting common issues. Carrot cake recipes. Conclusion and final thought. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Introduction to carrot cake. Carrot cake is a beloved dessert that combines the natural sweetness of carrots with warm spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Moist and flavorful, carrot cake is often topped with a rich and tangy cream cheese frosting, making it a favorite for celebrations and special occasions. Selecting the best carrots. Choosing the right carrots is essential for making delicious carrot cake. Look for carrots that are firm, smooth-skinned, and brightly colored, with no signs of wilting or softness. Avoid carrots that are excessively large or have visible blemishes or cracks. Preparing the carrots. Before using carrots in carrot cake, they need to be prepared properly. Here's how to do it. Wash the carrots. Rinse the carrots under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Peel the carrots, optional, depending on your preference. You can peel the carrots or leave the skins on for added texture and nutrition. Grate the carrots. Use a box grater or food processor fitted with a grating attachment to grate the carrots into fine shreds. Aim for a uniform size to ensure even distribution throughout the cake batter. Essential ingredients for carrot cake. The key ingredients for carrot cake include flour. All-purpose flour provides structure to the cake. Sugar. Granulated sugar sweetens the cake and adds moisture. Eggs. Eggs act as a binder and help the cake rise. Oil. Vegetable oil or melted butter adds moisture to the cake. Carrots. Grated carrots lend natural sweetness and moisture to the cake. Spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves add warm, aromatic flavor to the cake. Baking powder and baking soda. These leavening agents help the cake rise and achieve a light, fluffy texture. Salt. Salt enhances the flavor of the cake and balances the sweetness. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract adds depth of flavor to the cake batter. Making carrot cake batter. To make carrot cake batter, follow these steps. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Combine dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and spices until well combined. Add wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Fold in carrots. Gently fold in the grated carrots until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Divide batter. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans, smoothing the tops with a spatula. Baking the carrot cake. Once the batter is prepared, bake the carrot cake in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, about 25–30 minutes. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Preparing cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese frosting is the perfect complement to carrot cake. Here's how to make it. Beat cream cheese. In a large mixing bowl, Beat cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Add powdered sugar. Gradually add powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, beating well after each addition, until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Add vanilla extract. Stir in vanilla extract until incorporated. Assembling and decorating the carrot cake. Once the cakes are completely cooled, it's time to assemble and decorate the carrot cake. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Spread a layer of cream cheese frosting evenly over the top. Place the second cake layer on top and frost the top and sides of the cake with the remaining frosting. Decorate as desired. Garnish the cake with chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or additional grated carrots for a decorative touch. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Serving and enjoying carrot cake. Carrot cake is best served at room temperature. Slice the cake into wedges using a sharp knife and serve on dessert plates. Enjoy the moist, flavorful cake with a glass of milk, a cup of tea, or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a decadent treat. Variations and flavor ideas. While classic carrot cake is delicious on its own, you can experiment with different variations and flavor combinations to suit your taste preferences. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Pineapple carrot cake. Add crushed pineapple to the cake batter for added sweetness and moisture. Walnut carrot cake. Fold chopped walnuts or pecans into the cake batter for a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. Coconut carrot cake. Stir shredded coconut into the cake batter for a tropical twist. Spiced carrot cake. Experiment with different spices such as ginger, allspice, or cardamom for a unique flavor profile. Zucchini carrot cake. Add grated zucchini to the cake batter for extra moisture and nutrients. Storing and freezing carrot cake. If you have leftovers, store the carrot cake in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3-4 days. To freeze carrot cake, wrap individual slices tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil and place them in a freezer-safe container. Frozen carrot cake will keep for up to 2-3 months. Thaw slices in the refrigerator overnight before serving. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced bakers may encounter challenges when making carrot cake. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. Dense texture. If the carrot cake is too dense, it may be due to overmixing the batter or using too much flour. Be sure to mix the batter just until combined and measure the flour accurately. Sunken center. If the center of the carrot cake sinks during baking, it may be due to underbaking or opening the oven door too soon. Bake the cake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and avoid opening the oven door until the cake is fully baked. Dry cake. If the carrot cake is dry, it may be due to overbaking or using too little oil. Be sure to bake the cake just until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and use the recommended amount of oil in the recipe. Carrot cake recipes. Here are some delicious carrot cake recipes to try. Classic carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Pineapple carrot cake with coconut cream cheese frosting. Spiced carrot cake with maple cream cheese frosting. Gluten-free carrot cake with almond flour and honey cream cheese frosting. Vegan carrot cake with dairy-free cream cheese frosting. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Conclusion and final thoughts. Carrot cake is a timeless dessert that is perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays to everyday indulgences. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different variations and flavor combinations, you'll be able to create carrot cake that is moist, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the sweet, spicy goodness of homemade carrot cake. Whether you're baking for yourself, your family, or a special event, carrot cake is sure to impress everyone. Happy baking! Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy baking!